In this video, we will explain how artificial intelligence (AI) based applications work in real life, step by step, using simple example. We will break it down into easy to understand steps, showing how AI collects information, processes it, makes decisions, and improves over time. To make it even clearer, we will use the example of self-driving cars, which is one of the most popular AI applications used today. We have already talked in a separate video about what artificial intelligence is, how it works, and why data is so important for artificial intelligence to learn and make better decisions. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out the other videos in this playlist for simple and easy to understand explanations. Let's start by understanding how AI-based applications work, using the example of a self-driving car. These applications follow a step-by-step process, where they collect information, analyze it, make decisions, and keep improving over time to work better and smarter. Step 1. Collect data, seeing and listening. Just like humans use their eyes and ears to see and hear, AI collects data from different sources to understand its surroundings. In the case of a self-driving car, it gathers information using cameras, sensors, and GPS. The cameras help detect roads, traffic lights, and pedestrians, while the sensors measure distance, speed, and obstacles to ensure safe driving. The GPS tracks the car's location and determines the best route to its destination. This process is similar to how a student learns by reading books or listening to a teacher before solving a problem. The more information AI collects, the better it understands its environment, allowing AI to make accurate and better decisions. Step 2. Process data, understanding the situation. Once the AI collects data, it needs to analyze and understand what's happening around it. It looks for patterns in the information, just like we do when making decisions. For example, if the AI sees a red traffic light, it knows the car must stop. If it detects a pedestrian crossing the road, it understands that the car should slow down, and if the light turns green, the AI knows it's safe to go. This process is similar to how a student solves a math problem. First, they recognize the numbers and symbols, then they decide how to solve the question. AI follows the same approach, using the data it has learned to make the best decision. Step 3. Predict or decide, making a choice. AI uses its past learning and experience to predict the best action to take in any situation. For example, if AI sees a red light, it knows the car must stop. If there are no obstacles or cars ahead, it understands that it's safe to move forward. If a pedestrian is crossing the road, AI decides to wait until it's safe to drive. This is similar to how a student solves a problem using past knowledge. They apply what they have learned before to get the right answer. AI works the same way, using the information it has gathered to make smart and safe decisions on the road. Step 4. Improve over time, getting smarter. AI is always learning and improving to make better decisions. It remembers past experiences and makes adjustments to become more accurate. For example, if AI stopped too late at a red light before, it learns from that mistake and stops earlier next time. If it notices that certain roads are dangerous, it drives more carefully in those areas. The more data AI collects and analyzes, the smarter and more precise it becomes over time. This is just like a student practicing math. The more they practice, the better and faster they solve problems. In the same way, AI in self-driving cars keeps learning and improving, making driving safer and more efficient. Now that we have seen how AI-based applications work step by step in real life, let's move on to the next videos. In the next videos, I will talk about more important artificial intelligence topics in a simple way. So, don't forget to check out the other videos in this playlist for easy to understand artificial intelligence explanations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest artificial intelligence content. See you in the next video.